In home appliances, transformers are actually used quite a lot, like these two. Now, let's first talk about how to check if they're good or bad. First, we use a set it to the ohm range, the resistance setting. This transformer has a few wires. These two are one group, and on this transformer, the red wires are one group, black wires another. Let's measure the resistance on this side. 264 ohms. This shows it's fine. The coil hasn't burned out. Now let's measure the other side. 1 ohm. This one is also fine. This is the simplest way to test a transformer. Next, let's talk about wiring. A typical transformer has a 220 volts input on the primary side, and the secondary outputs a lower voltage. The group with higher resistance is usually the primary connect 220 volts here. The lower resistance side is the output voltage. For example, the 264 ohm side we just measured is the primary connect 220 volts. The 1 ohm side is the output voltage. That's basically how you wire it. But what if a transformer is broken and not conducting? Can it be fixed? Actually, sometimes it can. Take this one as an example. Measure this group Q. See, it's not conducting at all. Now measure the other group. 2 ohms. This shows the secondary coil is fine. Normally, the secondary coil is a few ohms, and the primary is a few hundred ohms. So this transformer is broken. Most of the time, the problem is the protection inside the coil. Look at this black part, see, these two wire ends. It feels a bit swollen. Let's open it and take a look. Inside, there's a thermal fuse. This is usually what breaks first in a transformer. Test it with a multimeter. You see nothing. That confirms it's blown. At this point, you can replace the fuse, or sometimes just connect the two ends together, and it can still work. But when opening it, be careful not to break the coils. So, some broken transformers can actually be repaired. If you found this useful, remember to like and share. Alright, that's it for today's video.